Hello students, myself Dipendra Gupta from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to start a new chapter from class 9 chemistry. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure. So students, first we will understand matter. The matter we encounter every day is almost a complex mixture, not a mixture, is a complex mixture. For example, if I am talking about the air we breathe is a mixture of at least 5 substances. If I am talking about gasoline is also a mixture of more than dozen substances. If I am talking about milk is a mixture of fat, protein and water. Milk also contain water. So these all are a complex mixture. Got it? If I am talking about cement, Portland cement is also a mixture of 5 or more than 5 substances. Got it? But there are few cases in which the matter that we encounter in ordinary experience is pure. That is, pure means that is consist of only one kind of matter. So any substances, if I am talking about matter that has only one kind of substances is called a pure substance. Got it? The example of pure substances are distilled water, not a tap water. Tap water is not a pure water. Tap water is a mixture, not a pure substance. So distilled water, which is used in injection, so distilled water is a pure substance, and baking soda, sugars are pure substances, because in pure substances consist only one kind of substances. Suppose we use copper wire in wiring. We use copper wire in wiring at in homes. So in copper wire there are only one kind of copper atom. So that's why we can say that copper wire, that is element, copper is an element. So copper element is a pure element. Every element is a pure substance. Got it? So we say copper is a pure substance because copper contain only one kind of copper atom. Got it? And compounds are also a pure substances. Got it? So students, it is clear that matter around us is not pure. In fact, the matter around us is of two types. First type is pure substance, and second type is mixture. So first we will talk about pure substance. What is pure substance? So pure substance, a sample of matter containing only one kind of substance is called pure substance. Got it? For example, silver, gold are pure substance. Silver and gold are used in jewelry, and iron, copper, aluminium, all metals are pure substance, and compound is also a pure substance. Now we will talk about mixture. A mixture is a sample of matter containing two or more substances is called mixture. Got it? So the example of mixture are sugar solution, salt solution are of example of mixture. Got it? So pause the video and note it down. Now we will see classification of matter. Matters are divided into two parts on the basis of physical classification and chemical classification. Matter are divided on the basis of physical classification and chemical classification. On the basis of physical classification, matters can be divided into three parts. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid, gas. On the basis of physical classification, matter can be divided into three parts. First part is solid, second part is liquid and third part is gas. Example of solid will be iron, gold, sodium, silver, etc. Liquid, example of liquid will be water, petrol, diesel, kerosene, milk, etc. Example of gases: nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen are example of gases. On the basis of chemical classification, matters are divided into two parts, that is mixture and pure substance. This is visible or not? Pure substance. Yes, this is visible. So on the basis of chemical classification, matters are divided into two parts, mixture and pure substance. Further, pure substance can be divided into two parts, that is element and compound. Pure substance can be divided into two parts, elements and compounds. The example of elements: sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, silver, gold are example of elements. And compounds: water, oil, sugar. Water, oil, sugar are example of compounds. Got it? And further, elements can be divided into three parts. Remember it. Elements are divided into three parts: metals, non-metals and metalloids. Elements are divided into three parts. First part is metal, second part is non-metals and third part is metalloids. Got it? So elements are divided into three parts: metals, non-metals and metalloids. I think this is visible or not? Let me rotate, little bit rotate. Yes, this is visible. Okay. Example of metals are gold, iron, copper, silver. Gold, iron, copper, silver, etc. Gold, copper, iron, silver, sodium, potassium, magnesium and fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. These all are example of non-metals. Got it? So example of non-metals: hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen, etc. Hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, all these are example of non-metals. And gold, iron, copper, silver, sodium, potassium, lithium, magnesium, these all are example of metals. And what are the example of metalloids? Metalloids: boron, arsenic. Boron, arsenic. Boron and arsenic and silicon are example of metalloids. Got it? Boron, arsenic, silicon, germanium, boron, arsenic, silicon, germanium are example of metalloids. Hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are example of non-metals. Gold, iron, copper, silver, aluminium, magnesium, calcium are example of metals. So matters can be divided on the basis of physical classification and chemical classification. On the basis of physical classification, matters are divided into three parts, that is solid, liquid and gas. In solids, examples are iron, gold and silver. In liquid, example water, petrol, diesel, milk, etc. In gases, example hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. And on the basis of chemical classification, matters are divided into two parts. First part is mixture. I forgot the example of mixture. Example of mixtures like sugar solution, soil are example of mixture, and further mixtures are divided into two parts. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous, example are sugar solution, and heterogeneous mixture, example is soil. So that's all about classification of matter. Got it? That's all about classification of matters. You can observe clearly matters are divided into two parts: physical classification, chemical classification. On the basis of physical classification, solid, liquid, gas. On the basis of chemical classification, mixture and pure substances. Further, mixture are divided into two parts, that is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. And pure substance are divided into two parts, that is compound and elements. Compounds and elements. Further, elements are divided into three parts, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. That's all about classification of matters. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video, and pause the video and note it down.